Hi everyone! Today I will show you how you can transform a second-hand book into a sketchbook yourself. What do you need? A second-hand book. We used a small children's book, sketching paper of choice, a ruler, a brush that will be used to apply the glue to the paper, a pencil and an eraser, stickers to decorate your sketchbook with, bookbinding glue, a paper cutter, two boards used to hold the paper together, and clamps. First you start with gently tearing out the pages of your book. Be very careful and slow, because otherwise this will happen. Now you should be left with the cover of the book. Next, measure the size of the pages so you know how big your sketching paper needs to be. Cut your pages until you have enough to fill the book. Next, clamp the pages in between the boards and make tiny cuts in the side of the bundle. Next, apply a thin layer of glue onto the sides. When the pages are dry, apply glue to the side of the cover. Add your pages and clamp them for a few more minutes until dry. After a while you can gently check if the pages stay in place. To decorate your sketchbook, you can add a lot of stickers. Now your sketchbook is ready to be used.
Hi everyone, today we will show you how you can make a book from a book.